What if I told you that the gadgets we rely on are quietly harming our planet? It might sound dramatic, but stick with me. Every day, we swipe, tap, and scroll completely absorbed in our screens. But have you ever paused to think about what's happening behind the scenes? The environmental impact of tech gadgets is a ticking time bomb that many overlook. Take your shiny new smartphone, for example. It seems harmless, right? But consider the journey it took to get to you. From mining rare minerals in conflict zones to the mountains of waste piling up in landfills, the costs are staggering, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. This issue extends beyond gadgets. It disrupts entire ecosystems. Did you know that the carbon emissions from producing just one laptop could power a small home for weeks? That's a reality many blissfully ignore. Think back to your last device upgrade. Did you really need it, or were you just tempted by the latest features? The average person upgrades their phone every 2 years, but each upgrade comes with a hidden cost. Every time you charge your device, you're not just using energy, you're contributing to a global crisis. It's easy to forget how that electricity is generated. In many places, it still comes from fossil fuels, releasing more carbon into our atmosphere. Now, imagine being part of the solution. What if every time you upgraded, you considered the environmental impact? You could join a movement that values sustainability over novelty. But here's the harsh truth: recycling alone isn't enough. Many electronics still end up in landfills, leaking toxic substances into our soil and water. It's a grim situation that demands our attention. We need to think beyond just tossing old tech into the recycling bin. So what can you do? Start small. Be mindful of your purchases. When it's time to upgrade, look for companies that prioritize sustainability. Every choice counts, and it all starts with you. Ultimately, it's not just about the gadgets we love, it's about the legacy we leave behind. Let's not be the generation that ignored the warning signs. Let's be the one that took action. As you set your device down, think about what you can do differently. The world needs it, and honestly, so do we. Have you ever felt a twinge of guilt when upgrading your phone? That feeling is just in your head. It reflects a bigger issue. The uncomfortable truth about tech gadgets and their environmental impact often goes unnoticed. Many people don't realize that those shiny new devices come with hidden costs. It's not just about the price tag, it's also about the planet. Every click and swipe contributes to a larger problem that we frequently overlook in our quest for the latest technology. Consider this: when you buy that sleek laptop, you're not just paying for the device itself. You're also covering the costs of the resources, labor, and environmental damage involved in its production. The metals mined, the factories powered by fossil fuels, and the waste that ends up in landfills all play a role. But what happens to your old devices? Many people assume they'll be recycled, but the reality is often much darker. A lot of these gadgets end up in waste dumps, where toxic materials leach into the ground, harming ecosystems and communities. Imagine being part of a cycle where every upgrade feels thrilling, yet every discarded device carries a heavy burden. You're not just a consumer, you're contributing to this problem. The constant pursuit of the latest tech can easily blind us to its consequences. At some point, you might realize that every new gadget is just a tool. It's a reminder of the impact our consumption has on the environment. That's when you might start to rethink your next purchase. I get it, you'll want to stay connected and have the best tools at your fingertips. So what can you do? It starts with awareness. Consider choosing refurbished tech or extending the life of the devices you already own. The choices you make today can create a ripple effect leading to a more sustainable future. As you shop for your next gadget, take a moment to reflect. What are you truly contributing to? Let that question sink in. Your next choice could be crucial in shaping a brighter future for our planet. So the next time you feel the urge to upgrade, pause for a moment. The uncomfortable truth about tech gadgets is lurking just beneath the surface. What will you decide? Have you ever felt a surge of anxiety when your phone buzzes? It's not just about the notifications, it's a subtle stress signal that might be trying to tell you something important. Imagine this: you're scrolling through social media and suddenly your heart races. Your mind starts racing too. What's lurking behind that screen? The uncomfortable truth is that our tech devices have a much bigger environmental impact than we often realize. Many people don't recognize the ticking time bomb in their pockets. Every device contributes to this issue, from the rare minerals mined under harsh conditions to the ever-growing mountains of waste. This is just about the planet's health, it's also about your mental well-being. Think about the thrill when you buy the latest gadget. It's exciting, but have you ever considered how many toxic chemicals are involved? How many lives were affected in the process? The ripple effect of our choices can lead to consequences far beyond just feeling regret after a purchase. Now visualize your daily routine. You wake up, grab your phone, and immediately plug into a world that demands your attention. But at what cost? As your device's battery drains, so does your peace of mind. This constant connectivity can leave you feeling isolated, even in a crowd. Let's explore the hidden dangers. With every ping, you unknowingly feed into a cycle of stress and consumption. Your screen time increases, and so do your feelings of disconnection. It's a paradox: the more connected you are, the more isolated you feel. And it doesn't end there. The pressure to keep up with the latest trends pushes you to upgrade and consume, perpetuating the cycle. Each new purchase promises satisfaction but often leaves you feeling emptier. It's a relentless loop that drains you both mentally and environmentally. But what if you could break this cycle? Imagine choosing clarity over chaos. Instead of endlessly scrolling, what if you took time to reflect? You could reclaim moments in your day, unplug from the noise, and invest in experiences that truly nourish your soul. The key is awareness. Start questioning your relationship with your gadgets. Are they serving you, or are you serving them? In this digital age, it's crucial to pause and evaluate. As you reflect on this, consider what truly matters to you. The next time you feel that familiar twinge of anxiety from your device, ask yourself, is this helping me connect? It's not just about technology, it's about your well-being and the world we share. Let's not wait until it's too late. Take a moment to breathe, unplug, and reconnect with what's real.